안녕하세요. Hello K friends, welcome back to my channel. When you go grocery shopping at Costco or other stores, you can find a lot of spinach products. Baby spinach is one that I sometimes buy. I tried making a delicious Korean style salad with it a few days ago. It was so good that I've been eating it almost every day. Would you like to see how to make it? Slice a bit of onion thinly. If you have a bell pepper, slice them thinly. If you don't have it, you can skip it. Finely minced 2 cloves of garlic. Even if the baby spinach looks clean, be sure to rinse it with water. And remove excess water before using it. Let's make the seasoning. Add 1½ tablespoon of fish sauce. This is plum extract, often used in Korean cuisine instead of sugar. If you have it, add about ½ tablespoon. If you don't have it, add 1 teaspoon of sugar instead. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. Add 1 tablespoon of gochugaru. Red pepper flakes. Add 2 tablespoons of sesame seeds. Add ½ tablespoon of minced garlic. Mix well. Add the sliced vegetables. Mix well. Add the baby spinach. Mix well gently. Spinach is rich in vitamin A, beta-carotene, and lutein, which are good for eye health. It is also beneficial for blood circulation, skin beauty, anti-aging, and cancer prevention. Let me put it on the plate. Lastly, add your favorite nuts to upgrade both the nutrition and taste. If you don't have nuts, you can skip it. Very delicious baby spinach salad is done. If you want to make a tasty and healthy salad, how about trying a baby spinach Korean salad? If the video was useful, please hit the like and subscription button. I will see you next week. 감사합니다. 안녕히 계세요. Bye bye.